What's that on that beat? Oh.
Hi guys, good morning and welcome back to my channel. My name is Olamide and I'm a YouTuber based in Abuja, Nigeria, and welcome to a brand new vlog. So today is Monday the 16th of May 2022 and I am currently in the office. As you can see, this is my organization's library. We have a library inside the building, so I came to check something. There's a date I'm looking for, so I thought if I check one of the books here, probably I'm going to find it. And by the way guys, tomorrow we have an event here in the office. My organization is a training institute, and we have been in the process. We train engineers in the power sector. So I've been in the process of acquiring this quality management systems ISO certification, and the process has been going on for about 2 years, and finally we have completed all the processes and were certified. We are ISO certified now, and SON, Standards Organization of Nigeria, are coming tomorrow to present our certificates to us. So we decided to make it an event. The ISO certification presentation event, and we'll have a little bit of after party afterwards. So I'm going to try and vlog the little I can tomorrow, because my departments are the ones hosting the event. If it was a different department, then I would have had ample time to vlog, but since we are the ones hosting the event, that won't be possible, because I'll be working the event, and I won't be able to vlog in order not to mess the whole thing up. So but I'll vlog whatever I can. So I'm going to be making preparations today, and the event planners are coming to decorate the hall. The printers are coming with our shirts, because we made shirts that I'll be wearing tomorrow. So I'm sure I'm going to try and vlog the little I can, so that when you guys see the next clip and you see an event, you will not be wondering whether is Olamide getting married. No, I'm not. We're just having an event in the office. Alright, I need to get back to finding my dates and get back to work. Bye for now.
Good morning. Madam.
Good morning.
Good morning. Ma? She's around. She went to pick something downstairs. Haba!
But last time, if I connect, you move with this thing.
We have an event today. Today is the ISO certification presentation party. So it's going to be a good day. Let me show you guys the hall. All decorated, and we're good to go.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo. Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo. I think there's a reason, though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect great, my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Yes. Let's gist. Hi guys. So how you guys been? Today is what? Today is a Sunday. Yeah, I've been just here chilling, watching a lot of YouTube videos, catching up. Yeah, I need to get up now. I want to show you guys something. I got contact paper. Yeah, I got contact paper. I want to use it to cover my kitchen cabinets. My kitchen cabinet is just plywood, black and white plywood. The doors are white body, so the top of the cabinet is black. So I bought this contact paper. It's this marble texture. I'm going to use it to cover the top of my kitchen cabinet. So that was what I was about to do. So I just decided to film, show you guys how I do that, content. You can't really do something like this and not film it. It's like a waste of content. I've gotten this since Tuesday. Today is Sunday, and I've gotten this since Tuesday, but I refused to use it because I wanted to have time to film it while I'm fixing it. So for the sake of content, I kept it to today, and that's what I'm going to be doing. So let's head over to my kitchen. I'm going to fix my contact paper. Yeah. So this is the top of my cabinet. As you can see, it's black and just plywood, and this is the doors. The doors are already white, but I'm going to cover the top first, and if the paper is remaining, I might as well just cover the rest too. So let's see. I'm going to cut this open now. So I've taken out the wrapping, and this is what the contact paper looks like. I'll just take off this masking tape I was used to hold it together. Yeah. So this, I got this thing in 1 meter. It comes in 60 centimeter by 1 meter. So hey God, oh. Would this be enough? I'm really sorry guys, NEPA took the light again, so I'm going to do this without light because I can't keep waiting for light. So this is, I only got 60 centimeter by 1 meter, and I I don't know. Let's cut it and see if it's going to go round, but I really doubt that it's going to go round, but let's see. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to follow through the edge like this and cut. Or should I use a ruler or something? Because my hands. Okay. I know I'm not straight though. My hands cannot be straight. Sometimes my hands are. I'll just do this instead. So I folded it through and I'm going to just follow the line. Olamide, please don't mess this thing up. I can be very clumsy sometimes, so I'm really just hoping that I don't mess this thing up. Just be very careful not to mess it up, because it will pain me die. If I mess it up, I'll have to like order for another one and then keep waiting for them to deliver it again. So I just really hope I don't mess this thing up. I really hope so. So far so good, Sha. Let me not jinx it. Oh my god. Yay! I was able to cut it. Okay, that's just one part done. Next part now is how I'm going to fix it. Oh god, oh. What is this? Okay, it pretty comes with a sticker of its own and adhesive of its own, as you can see. So what we're supposed to just do is peel out this back and just try to I think what I'm going to do is I'll start from the other side and work my way down so that I don't mess this thing up. So I'm just going to start from this edge and work my way down. What you have to do is to peel off this white back of the main stuff like this, and you're supposed to just work your way down gradually. At least I watched a couple of videos on YouTube on how to fix contact paper, so I really hope I don't mess this shit up. Oh god. So far so good. It's looking good, but I think I've made a mistake. I'm having a big space here, but let's just keep going. I'll look for a solution for that when I'm done. So I'm taking off this from the back and using my hand to expel any air bubbles caught up inside. So far so good. It's looking nice. And yeah, well done. And yeah, so I'm just applying pressure. Maybe I'll use this now. Applying pressure to expel. No, this won't work. Let me just keep using my hands. I'll just keep applying pressure and expelling the air bubbles. And then this edge, what I'm going to do is I'll just fold this out and do this. that's done. I'm going to use clear tape to tape these edges down so they don't keep coming off, if you know what I mean. So I'll use that and tape it down as such, so we won't have any lifting anything. I didn't see this on YouTube anything, no. The thought just crossed my mind that what if I use normal tape, like clear tape like this, to tape it down, because I saw that these edges are lifting and I don't like it. So that's what I'm doing now. Oh, this thing is hard work. Very hard work. Who sent me a bag? I'm so tired. Like, I'm not even... Damn. Okay guys, this is the final look. Oh my god, I like how it's looking. So yeah, please ignore the dirty plates in the sink. I've not had time to do my dishes. So eventually I was able to cover everywhere, but yeah, I love how it's looking. It's so nice. By the way, I didn't cover underneath my gas cooker. As you can see, there's still some black. I was scared that this thing is polyester. Is it polyester? I'm scared that it can easily get burnt when I'm cooking, so I didn't plan to even cover underneath the cooker, so I didn't even bother. I'm happy. All my hard work paid off eventually. Okay, now I'm just gloating. Bye.